Yeah.
What's another?
Hello. It's my sister Manny. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Maya, you are live. You can start introducing the live stream and inform people of the agenda.
Okay. Okay, welcome everybody to our design meeting. I'm just going to share the agenda with you quickly. Can you see my screen? Like, is it visible?
No, not yet.
Okay. How about now?
No.
Maybe. You can't see the screen. It's supposed to be visible now. Can you see it? Just a thumbs up or
Yeah, I can see it.
all right. So welcome everybody to our design meeting, and I'll be your facilitator for this meeting. But before we start, I'm going to share our meeting documents and the agenda with you. I've sent it before, but I'm just going to reshare it. So you can add your name to the agenda and also be able to see the agenda for our meeting. So I'll start by introducing myself. Aishat Wibudin. The committee knows me as Maya, and I'm the design lead. And I'm also going to be your facilitator for today. I think we have new members around here with us in the meeting. So, Ura, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Buraola Akinlade. I am a product designer, and I'm also very interested in community, in organizing events for communities. So I look forward to collaborating with everyone here. Thank you.
Welcome, Ura. Olumide Victoria Tenzi. Do you want to introduce yourself?
So yeah, hi, my name is Tenzin. I'm from India. I do both the this what do you call the coding and the UI. Yeah.
Welcome, Tenzi. Victoria, you are the next person. Tenzi here on my screen. You want to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi everyone. Good evening. Hope you can hear me.
Yes, I can.
I'm Victoria Nduka, UX design, UX designer, and I've been contributing to AsyncAPI for a couple of months now. Yeah. So you guys are going to welcome to be join us.
Welcome. Suli Olumide.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are. I can hear you.
Hi, my name is Olumide. I'm a designer and I've been contributing to Async for a while. I'm actually the present mentee under Maya. Thank you.
You're welcome. And Tuli here is our community manager at AsyncAPI. Okay. So before we move next to the item on your agenda, I would like someone to volunteer to take note for us. It's nothing much, it's just to add um a few things here on the agenda, add your name and answer the question just before and a discussion. So who would like to do that for us, please? Just a bullet.
Maya,
Yes.
I mean, at the end of the call, right, you will get a summary from Zoom of all the discussion.
Yeah.
So unless if you want a note taker, like someone to take notes.
Yes, I know. I prefer the note as well. At the end of the meeting, we are going to add the summary here on the issue, but at least we are going to close it, right? But at the same time, uh the document is going to be there and you can always go back there to see the previous discussions. And it won't be like that cumbersome like the AI generated notes. So do we have any volunteer to do that? No one? All right. Let's move on then. Okay. So on the agenda, we have the Olopin design projects updates from Olumide. Are you here to give us the updates? Is the one working on the project, the mentorship project badge, developing design badge, and he has been working with me to design the badges, developing badges for AsyncAPI. Are you ready to give your update?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay, yeah. So go.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm excited sharing my experience working on the Olopin batches. At the moment, I'm done with most of the works. I'm through with the contributors batches and badges and the project, but I'm still making a little bit. It needs a little bit changes. So I'll give my reports probably this evening or first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay. Do you have any challenge working on the issue? Anything you want to share? And next time you're supposed to share
At
the
least,
link to the meeting. So it's easier for people to
okay. I'm actually not with
don't worry, I've shared the
my device
content
now, but
answer.
yeah, thank you. So
Yeah.
throughout the projects, I learned the importance of attention, and I really appreciate the guide of my mentee throughout the process. But it's not that as a new designer
See, I can see that.
yeah, so there's nothing too cumbersome like that. It's just that I'm open to learning. That's all.
All right. Thank you. Tilly, you
Yeah.
can go ahead. I can see your hand.
Okay, yeah, I think that is why I joined the meeting. So after this, I will just drop. Yeah, I think I provided Olomide with the changes that is needed on the badges. I don't know, did you get the feedback that we gave you and on how to improve the designs so that I can answer some of the questions, what we need before, yeah, at least it'll be easier to explain on the call. Maybe you might miss some of the explanations on text.
Yeah. Can go ahead.
Okay, so yeah, I added the feedback, like we need to improve them a bit, like to use the gradient colors for AsyncAPI. And yeah, I also share some of the resources, like you can draw inspirations from how other communities are doing. The badges are great. I like this design, but there's this AsyncAPI component that is missing. That is very crucial because when you're looking at them, you can feel like there is not that. I'm not sure how to explain it. I just wrote like there is not that AsyncAPI, like you can see that this page is really for AsyncAPI. It's missing a component that really connects it with AsyncAPI. I don't know if it's the colors that needs to be improved. And also I did mention that since now we have some of the mascots, the new mascots that Victoria did, we can actually make use of those mascots as well. I've also shared some links to that. Then I think once that is done, you can also like incorporate them as stickers. You can incorporate it as a separate design or put together. But yeah, what I want to emphasize is like feel free to be creative and explore, and please share them with the community, like on the design channel, so that there's a wider reach, because we didn't know like the pages have been at this stage, of which now maybe the timeline that you had is gonna draw it back a bit because of the ongoing feedback that we need to give. So it's very important that on a project, when you're doing a project, especially if it's a community project, make sure that you make your work visible to other people, because it's not only about me as a community manager, I need to see them, but it also involves marketing. They need to also have input. So whatever designs that you're working on or whatever project that you're working on, make sure that you include the community, make sure your work is visible in the community so that people can give you feedback in time, and also like be involved in the creativeness, because that is the whole experience. That's the full experience when it comes to like working in a project. I'm sure Victoria is giving a thumbs up. I'm sure she knows what I mean. So yeah, some people might have better ideas than what I have. Some people have other aspects that they might think will improve the pages. So please make sure you share your work with the rest of the community so that they can also see the current work. Because at the end of the day, the pages is not for me only or for Holopim, but it's for the rest of the community. So we want them to feel part of the project as well. So if there's any questions on that, please let me know, and I'll try my best to answer as much as I can.
Okay, thank you, Tuli.
Awesome.
I really appreciate your comment. So for the you made comment on the maintenance badge. You said it should be only one.
Yes, currently there is maintainer of technical writing. We don't have such. It's docs. We have maintainer of design. We have maintainer of code, of which is only feels like it's not inclusive enough. Because, for instance, I can give you like for my case, I do code, I do docs, I do community maintenance, of which what about my work as a community maintenance is not inclusive. There are people who actually maintain like in accessibility and security. They don't fall under code. So that's why I suggested like only maybe one maintainer page that says maintainer is enough, so that at least it feels more inclusive. So instead of us having like maintainer of docs, maintainer of design. But in fact, we can have like maybe contributor to docs, contributor to design. That can make sense. But when it comes to maintainers, I'm sure if you have seen like TSC members, majority of the people, they maintain different aspects, of which it ends up not being inclusive enough. So one badge that says maintainers, at least it covers like it's an umbrella badge that doesn't have to be like specific to design, to code, or to docs.
And thank you.
Mhm.
And I also want to ask. You said we should I should check for more creativity from the
Mhm.
a mascot. From the mascot. So what I'm about to ask is that, am I to make some, because you made statements of me doing some as stickers and some as badges. So I'm asking, I'm asking if I should make some stickers and the rest badges.
Yes, I mean, you can try and incorporate, like I said, I did add some links. Some of them, they have like stickers, some of them, they have badges. So I was saying that you can also use like the mascots. If you feel like the mascots can have one design, maybe like, for instance, maintainers. I don't know how you're gonna design. Like I said, feel free to be creative. I don't know how you're going to do it. I'm not a designer, but I do have this vision in mind that we can use like the mascots. If like, for instance, with the maintainers, if we are appreciating maintainers, if it's one sticker, it can make sense. Then for others, variations, I feel free to play around. Like, it's a suggestion, doesn't mean that I'm correct or not. But like I said, feel free to incorporate it in the design together with the text, or if you feel like it should be only the mascots and some text, I really don't know. It's just a suggestion. But yeah, I did add some of the examples of what I've seen so far. Then you can pick up some inspiration there to give you like some inspiration to see how you can design or how you can put it together.
I understand. I get you. So if I have any other question, I'll make sure I communicate it with you.
All right, cool.
But
Thank
for
you so
now,
much,
I'm okay.
Media.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, Tuli. Thank you, Lumide. So, to add to what Tuli has said, please make sure you make the work more visible and share it on the Slack channel and the general channel on Slack as well, please. So other people will be able to contribute, share their ideas, and as well, even give you an idea on how to improve it. But well done so far. You're doing great.
Thank you.
So, yeah, the next thing on our agenda is the conference design issues. And so I was actually hoping we would do like a live review or design, but looking at the time right now, no, we can't say. So I'm going to go to the conference report to see the available issues. And I think Olumide also created a few ones for you to pick up. Wura, I know you reached out to me about contributing. So um
Yes, please.
yes. And Pansy, I also saw your work on the design. Like, it's okay. I wanted to review. I didn't know what happened that time. I had to stop. So yes, so here is the conference website repo, right? You can see the issues here, and there are a few design issues you can pick up from here. Yes, like these two ones. Thanks. Is this the one you are working on?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to pick this first, and I think these other two are available. And I'm going to share the link here. Let me share the link to this repo. Am I still audible? Like the system is not engaging. Hello?
Yes, yes, you are audible. We can hear you.
All right, thank you. So for this design, Tenzi, where is it? For example, this issue is to create design for the 2025 speaker cards for the speakers, right? So the first thing I usually do when creating design is to look for inspiration. Like you can't get enough of that. You can always see it online on Pinterest, Behance, even LinkedIn and Hex. Just depends on how like the keywords you use, cards, conference, whatever. You're going to get uh you're going to get more inspiration on it. So for this design, thanks, do you want us to review it here? Or
Yes. Yeah, sure.
okay, all right. So for this one, I think it can be better. We can these are too short.
Mm.
I don't know, I can hear myself. What's wrong? Okay. So these things are like too small. And even if you look at the size, I don't have the edit access. Okay. If you look at the size, 420 by 547 pixels. I don't think you follow the normal size you have to use. Because I remember the other time there was a defined size to use for uh promotional cards. So you need to like follow that first. I'm trying to look for the issue. I can't find it. But yeah, you can just search on Pinterest for speaker cards. Let me know at any point if you can't hear me or I'm not audible, so I can go back. Can you see this?
Yes.
Mm. Yeah. So you can just search online for speaker cards, something to design, something that looks like more beautiful and more nice. Something like this is okay. Just to improve what we currently have here. But we can use any of the shape. This is fine. Sorry, I forgot I don't have the edit access. And this is also fine as well. So you can use any of the two, but you should make it more like wider and not just the name and the position. You can also have more information on the card, maybe the location or something. You can synchronize with Olumide. I think he's volunteering for the conference, and yes, so I can provide more details on that. Do you have any question regarding that? Hello?
No.
Okay. So in the absence of no question, I'm going to move to the other issue. So, Bura, this issue is open to pick up. Is to design a speaker banner for the 2025 conference.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I'll pick it up.
okay, you can view the design system from here. Then when you are done, all you need to do is just to uh, make a comment here with and link into the Figma file because we have like a general Figma we are using for the conference. But please drop your mail in my DM on
DM.
Slack so I can add it. I can add it to the file.
Okay. So you
Mm.
said so you said I should drop the link to the Figma. Is it am I creating maybe a new page or section on the main Figma or am I designing on my own Figma and linking it there?
No, I'm saying you should like there's a general Figma file for
Okay.
the AsyncAPI 2025 conference. So I'm saying you
Okay.
should DM me your email address so I can add you to that Figma file.
Okay. So I'm going to be designing on that Figma file.
Yes, yes. I want it to be collaborative so that we can all
See
have
what.
our design.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, that
yes.
makes sense. All
Yeah.
right. I'll
Kenzie,
send
did
my
you use that?
now.
All right. Did you use that general Figma or this is this your own?
Yeah, that is my one. Because
Okay.
I had a problem with this sign up and all. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Oh, you were not able to do the Figma education plan.
No.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
It's all right. So once you are done, you can just move it to the Figma or when once it's there, I will just move myself to the general Figma file.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So this other issue is open. Try that one. I think there are two, right? I can't find the other one. But basically, to see open issues for the conference website, right? All you need to do is to go to the issues here. You can have the tag open and close. I'm saying this again for Wura's sake. And you can find the open design issues. Mostly the design issues we have tags for design. So it will be easier for you to pick up. Do we have any question on that? So the conference, anything?
Yeah, please. I have a question. So, like for in the open tags here, I can see like 31, but like when you were mentioning, you mentioned just two that are open. So how do I know which ones are actually like that I can actually work on? And then how do I also know which ones someone else is currently working on? Will they be closed?
Okay. So I mentioned this earlier. Once you go to the community repo, did you know how sorry, conference repo? Did you know how we got here? Did you see how we got here?
No, but I know I can always navigate my way there.
Okay, that's fine. So for you to see open issues, immediately you get to the old interface here, right? You go to issues. You have the tag for open and the tag for close. So when you click on open, you can see all issues, whether they are design, whether they are bugs, whether they are enhancements. You can see all the open issues. But for the design issues, they will always have a tag. They should always have a tag. For example, can you see this?
Yes, I can. Yes, I
Yeah,
can.
this has a tag, right? Design, it is open. So if someone is working on that particular issue, they will have to make a commitment, make a comment. Oh, I'm interested in working on this issue. You have to make that comment so that we know Wura is working on this issue, right? So once you already made that comment, we don't assign issues here. Automatically, we know that you are going to work on that issue. So even if I want to work on it, I can't work on it unless you say I'm no more interested in working on that issue, right? So you are the one working on it. So that's basically how it works here. Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes a lot of sense and is very clear. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, do we have any other question regarding the conference point here? Olumide, please add your Figma file, the one you are working on, to this comment here, please. And
Okay,
okay,
I'll do so.
all right. So for the AsyncAPI website and research initiative, I was hoping Akshat is going to be on the call, but it's not. So basically, okay, let's get into it. Few months ago, I opened an issue on redesigning the AsyncAPI website. That'll be on the website repo. To work on the website to redesign a few pages from the website, because I did a UX audit and I realized some pages had issues, accessibility issues, design issues, UX issues, and that was what we are trying to work on. Am I audible? Just to confirm.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we have done a few of the design.
Sorry, am I the only one that cannot hear Maya anymore?
I was just about to ask. Maya, we can't hear you. Oh,
I can't
yeah,
hear.
I think she got disconnected. So let's just wait for people to get back.
Probably a network.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hello?
Come back. Can hear you.
Welcome back.
Sorry, MTN logged me out.
Sorry about that.
I'm trying to share my screen back. Is there anyone available to share Isa's screen? I don't know why I can't share my screen.
Okay, so when you're disconnected, I was made the host
Okay,
automatically,
I'm
so
now
I
the
just gave
host.
it.
Thank you.
Yeah, right.
What did you say?
I was trying to explain why you were not able to
Victoria?
share a screen. Can you hear me?
Sorry, could you say that again? I didn't get any in that. Network was bad.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I can.
Yeah, I was trying to explain why you could not share a screen. When you got disconnected, I was made the host. So as you joined back now, I just made you the host so that you could share a screen. I hope you got that.
It is still bad. I could not get it. No,
Just
but
go
it's
on,
okay.
go
It's
on.
all right.
Yeah.
Only had you are trying to explain something. Thank you. So, am I audible now? Please let me know so I know when I'm logged out again. A thumbs up, please, to be sure I'm still here. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. That was nice. So I'm trying to explain the Async API website redesign issue. So now this issue is part of the GSOC. We have proposed this for GSOC. But one thing that I I would love us to do before the whole implementation is the research. I want us like be very to stress the research part before implementation so we can be able to dictate issues that like it will not affect the users before implementing it because I think the I'm not even thinking I know UX research is like a very important part of redesign. We should not just go straight to redesigning and changing everything without testing how these things are working. So this is the current website. This is how it looks like. I would have shared the new design, but let me see if I can. Let me see if I can share the new design. I'm not sure if it's there. I don't want this thing to load. Okay, so this was the proposal. I'm going to share this next so you can check it out later. So my whole point of making the discussion is that I want that research to be an important part, like an important project in the community too. Not just doing design, like we need to start testing our design. Are this design, does it meet the needs of the users? Is this what they're expecting us like do? How do we make it like more accessible to them and all of that? So I'm hoping for the next bounty issue, we have more research issues. And for the next mentorship or anything, we have more research issues in the community. So it can
Hello. We can't hear you. I can't hear you, Maya. Hello.
She's disconnected again.
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Welcome back.
Thank you. Please,
Ah,
which network are you people using? Nigerian people.
you wish to ask. MTN is after your life. Yeah,
Ah,
use MTN.
I'm also using MT. I don't know what's wrong. And it has not been acting up since morning. No.
Sorry.
So I think we end the meeting. It's already past time already. We have 1 minute left. So thanks everyone for joining. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you have any question, anything to discuss for our next meeting, it's going to be in 2 weeks' time, same time, same day. Or would you like us to change the time? Is everyone comfortable? Hello? Okay, Victoria is okay with the current
Seems
time.
it's
Thank
already
you. So
6.
if we have anyone
Bye.
here that is not okay with it, you want us to make any adjustments, let me know. Since we have not even gone deep into the meeting. So thanks everyone for joining. That will be the end of our meeting for today. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much. Aisha, I hope you don't mind me reaching out in case I run into any issues.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Thank
please, definitely. You can reach
all
out to
right.
me.
Yeah, so I already navigated the repo and I already dropped the comment on the speakers banner that I would,
Issue.
yeah, that would be interested in
Okay,
taking that.
okay. That's fine.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.